Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.